Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. As you may or may not know, I am super into skincare. I think it's really important to take care of your skin, but I also think your makeup applies better when your skin is really nice. So for this video, I want to share some tips with you guys that I think are often overlooked, or maybe you just don't know about them. I do think they're really helpful and can help keep away any unwanted pimples. And who knows, when you hear one of the tips, you might even realize that this thing is causing you to break out. So definitely make sure you stay till the end of the video so you don't miss any of them in case one of them could help you out. And obviously don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't already, what are you doing? You definitely should. And also give this video a thumbs up. It would really help me out. By the way, yes, I did get a haircut. It is a lot shorter than I thought. It's definitely taking some getting used to, but I do really love it. Yeah, let's just get on with the video. Starting it off with tip number 1, and that is to wash your pillowcases. You might not even realize how much bacteria actually gets on your pillowcase. You're laying on that pillow every single night. Your oils from your hair and your face are going right on there. I know that a while ago I consistently started getting some acne like right on my right cheek, and it was super weird. I didn't know what it was from, but then I pinpointed that I always sleep on my right side, and I realized that my pillowcase had been causing my acne. So my tip for you is to clean your pillowcase at least once a week. I try to do this every single Sunday. It's just the perfect day to get everything in order. This is a very simple thing to do, but I definitely think people don't really think about it that much because we use our pillow every single night and we just probably don't think about it. But it's definitely important to make sure it gets cleaned pretty often. You don't wake up with a bunch of breakup. Tip number 2 is to reduce your intake of dairy. Although it's not scientifically proven that dairy actually causes breakouts, a lot of people do see an improvement when they reduce their intake of dairy, including myself. I definitely noticed that I was getting a lot less breakouts when I stopped consuming so much dairy. So if you are breaking out a lot right now, definitely try to eat a lot less dairy for like a week or two. Maybe see if your skin starts getting a lot better. You never know, that could be what's causing your breakouts. Moving on to tip number 3, that is to never ever leave your makeup on when you go to bed. Please don't do it. It's never a good idea. If you've had your makeup on all day and then you go to bed and leave it on all night, like you're literally just clogging your pores for 24 hours and most likely you're gonna wake up with a pimple or two. So is it really worth it to not take it off? Okay, but I do understand that sometimes you're just super tired. Maybe you came home late and you're just so lazy and you're like, there's no way I can go through my whole skincare routine, so I'll just keep it on. What I'm saying is I totally get that. I've been there too. But a little hack for you so you don't do this is to actually have some makeup wipes on your nightstand. That way they're super accessible and that way you don't actually have to get out of your bed. Obviously you're not gonna get every ounce of makeup off, but you can at least get a good amount of it off, so that's better than nothing. Tip number 4 is something that everyone knows, but not everyone does it, and that is to drink water. Oh my god, I've heard this a million times. Everyone always says that. Yes, everyone says that, but you need to listen to them. Actually drink more water. Water flushes out all the toxins in your body and really hydrates your skin, which is really gonna prevent you from breaking out. And again, I understand that water is not always your first choice. There's pop, there's juice, there's a bunch of other drinks that are a lot tastier than water sometimes. But a good little hack that I have for you to drink more water is to add some fruit to your water. This will add some flavor to your water and make it more enjoyable, and it's still really healthy. I actually have a video if you want to check it out that shows you guys some recipes that can make your water taste a lot better. So I'll have that in the description if you want to check it out. But I just think this is a great idea and will definitely spice up your water and probably make you want to drink it more, which is great because then you're on the road to really great skin. My last and final tip for you, tip number 5, is something that I also think is super overlooked because we're on it every single day, but that is to disinfect your phone. We're usually on our phones constantly throughout the day, so you probably don't think about how much bacteria is actually getting onto your phone. So yeah, we're putting our hands all over our phone and then we go and touch our face and we're transferring all the bacteria right on there. Also, when you answer the phone, you might lean your screen against your face, which is just horrible because you have so much bacteria on your screen. So just to avoid that altogether, try to disinfect your phone as often as possible. You could do it every day, but realistically, just try to do it like once a week. This will just keep your phone nice and clean and reduce the amount of bacteria that's actually on there. All right, well, those are all the tips that I have for you guys. I really hope they helped you out and maybe you discovered why you've been breaking out lately. I really do think these are great ways to just prevent yourself from getting pimples as much as possible. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.